Howdy guys, welcome back. Today's plan of action is to make a start on the project Margot, the Range Rover Range Rover Classic 2-door. She started out with life with a VM diesel, but she's got a 200 TDI now, just like that when we got it. Yeah, there's a few things that need doing on it, but first of all, we are going to do something that's free, because everybody loves a free job.
It was at this moment he knew. He f***ed up.
That sounds a bit weird, doesn't it? Free job. Depends how you think.
What the hell? Oh my God, no way, yeah.
Right, today's plan of action is to take this old used engine oil, gear oil, whatever you like, take your wife's best polishing rag and rub it all over everywhere. Protected? Not protected. Not that it's in a bad state, but we want to keep it that way, don't we? I'm not sure if you can see the chassis rail I've done there. Right in all the nooks and crannies where you need to get it. All done and dusted. Chassis, body mounts, inner wings, all that kind of stuff. All full of oil, as you can tell. It's not a pretty job, it's not a glamorous job, but it's something that needs doing, and it will help to keep your car rust free. Inner wings again. Sills. These sills. Look at that, all oiled up. Boom! Lathered in oil. Just pour it in. Just pour it in there and just, yeah. Crannies.
Did you just break my car?
I did say in the introduction it was a project. It's okay, Baba. It's okay. List of things to do on Margot is long. If you're interested in videos about it, let us know. Put it down in the comments and we'll get them out there. Is she gonna start? The answer is no. Oh! Oh! Sorry, Margot, for not believing in you. What a machine!